Hey everybody, it's Scott here, and now we're discussing determining who is going to go first when choosing actions and making maneuvers during a combat turn. It's actually very easy. We're just going to compare the movement of each one of these characters, and whoever has the highest move goes first. Don't forget, encumbrance can affect your movement, so it's very important to understand how much weight each character has on them. This will slow them down and reduce their initiative. These characters, for example, have various different movement rates. The movement rates on these characters are from 5 to 6. And 1 second. I'll bring that up again. There we go. Couldn't attack there. Couldn't click on the characters. These bandits here each have a move of 5, and our heroes here have a move of 5, 5, and 6. So our female hero here would actually get to choose a maneuver and act first. Now that brings up an interesting question. What about ties? These characters have the exact same movement as these other characters. Well, in the case of a tie, you compare speeds. These bandits here have a speed score. Let's look that up for a second here. Mercenaries that I made up have speed scores of 5 and moves of 5. So they have just a straight 5. Whereas I know these heroes have 5.25 and 5.5. So that's the tiebreaker. All the heroes get to go first, and then the bandits will go, and that will repeat each round unless there's a modifier that would affect movement rates. Generally, once combat starts, what will alter movement rate is taking severe wounds, where the character has only 1 to 3 hits left. When that happens, they will be reduced to half their normal movement. On roll 20, you can use any kind of marker you want, but on roll 20, I usually give these guys a little red bip to indicate that they've taken heavy wounds. Oops, not the X. And that red bip means that they're at half their normal movement, which will severely affect their ability to gain any type of advantage. So movement is always rounded, so 2.5 is going to be a move of 2. Movement rate would be highly affected by the wounds and drop them almost completely out of the initiative until the very last of each round because they're badly wounded. They're acting very slowly. And that's basically how to determine which characters go first in any given combat.